What is up, you guys? Welcome to another video, and today's video is basically me showing you guys how to set up the AIO bot, and I'm also going to be making an exclusive video on showing you how to set up Eve, Cyber, and maybe Dashi bots as well, because I've been getting a lot of requests about those other bots since I only focus on AIO. So this video today is going to be about the Kith and Adidas 40 Aspen releasing on November 2nd. It is going to be exclusively on Kith.com at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The retail isn't going to be, I think it's going to be over $220, maybe even more, and the resale value is going to be probably be between $1,000 if not more, depending on how well the shoe goes. But usually in the past releases with any 4D shoe, usually it does release for more. Now before I get into this video, guys, I'm going to be telling you guys about the giveaway that I am hosting. I did make a new cook group, guys. I'm sorry about the whole confusion with the whole Slack, the new Discord, and just more confusion and all that stuff. So I will be listing the new Discord down in the bottom, right down here. All you gotta do is just click it. Right now, guys, we are having it for a free trial-based thing. Within a month or so from now, we are going to be charging people, but we do have our monitors up. We do have an amazing staff that is working hard on giving you guys the best information for any shoe possible or any products that sell. So all you got to do, guys, is simple. Is go to twitter.com/NadeSneakerz, NadeSneakerz. And all you're going to want to do is click on the link down below, which I will be giving you guys directly for the Twitter raffle, and will be ending on November 8th. All you have to do is literally go to the image down there. After that, you're going to do is retweet the image, like the image. You're going to want to tag 3 friends, and of course, you're going to want to follow the Twitter account, NadeSneakerz. So that's all you got to do. The winners will be released on November 8th at random. I will be doing that on live, so you guys understand that this will be fair. So there's no anything like confusion or anything like that. And like I said, guys, make sure you guys join my Discord. Right now we're about 100 people in, or have about 100 members inside our Discord. We are trying to improve it and make it more so we can establish a good cook group base thing that we're doing here. So like I said, right now it's a free trial. It's going to be free probably for about a month or so. And all you got to do is literally go down in the description right now, click on that Discord link, and then you're automatically in. Now, make sure that the only way to, get the most successful cops is being most active on there. If you aren't active, you're not going to be able to cop anything. So, like I said, I try my best to help you guys out in these videos and stuff. And I will be posting more in the near future. I will be making more videos about the PSG ones coming out pretty soon, or even the restock Zebras that are happening on December 11th, I think, or the 3rd. I forget. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And most importantly, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, make sure you hit that question down in the comment section below. Thank you, guys, and again, enjoy the video. Peace. What is up, you guys? My name is Izzy, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to cop the Kith times Adidas 4D Aspens, releasing on November 2nd on Kith.com exclusively at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You guys can do me a huge favor, guys. If you guys enjoy my content, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'm close to 400 subscribers, and my main goal is to hit 500 subscribers before January comes. If I do reach 500 subscribers, guys, I will be doing another giveaway. I did talk about the giveaway that I'm currently doing on NadeSneakerz on my Twitter. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys go and check that giveaway out. I also do have a Discord group that I did make with a couple of developers and myself and I. And we are currently in the process of doing a free trial for you guys. So make sure you guys click the description down below to help your increase chances in near future releases on any shoes, products online, or even some good advice to resell on the internet. Alright, guys, so if you guys enjoyed my video, like I said, make sure you guys hit that like button. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns at the end of the video, make sure you guys drop a comment down in the section below. And let's get straight to the video. Alright, guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go on your AIO bot application. You're going to right click it and run administrative rights. After that, you're going to click on yes, and you should open up this box right here. First thing that you want to check and make sure everything is good is checking on the updates. Now the updates does matter. I currently don't use AIO bot as much as I used to due to me owning Eve. Shout out to my friend Adam for that, and also using NSB, which is a new bot in the upcoming, and I will be making a separate video about this new bot that I absolutely do love and adore. And shout out to Nanik and Cypher for making this bot right here. Alright, guys, so let's get back into this. So pretty much, guys, once you update your stuff, it's gonna redo its thing. After that, it's gonna open up the application again. Once you get that, obviously the Kith Adidas 4D Aspen is going to be on kith.com at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do recommend you guys start running your bot between a minute to 2 minutes beforehand. You guys definitely are going to need proxies in order for you to make sure you guys don't get banned. Now, if you want to, be a little bit risky, you guys don't need to use your proxies. You can actually use your local IP address. Something that I do not recommend since you will be refreshing this page using this bot and stuff. But anyways, guys, like I said, so you want to go on Kith, so you're gonna type up Kith, and it should pop up somewhere right here, right there. The negative keyword is going to be XXX. Now, I do not have the monitor or the early link as of right now, but I will be posting it in the description once I do get it. So please come back to this video and check the description down below to see what the early link will be. If not, you guys join my Discord. I will be having the early link inside of there, so you guys don't have to worry about that problem or missing about the release. Now, like I said, you guys got to be active in order for you to get like any increase your chances on even getting this shoe. Kith is a Shopify site, so a lot of bots will be eating, especially Cyber or Eve or any of those big bots, including even AIO bot. It's been here for a while. I know they're going for some updates right now, so I'm looking forward to that right now as well. Anyways, guys, so back into this. So for the setup, you can either use your guest thing, which I will be doing. You can either do that or even use your email and your password, which you can put in there. And then, like I said, negative keywords will be XXX. The early link will be in the description later, but for now, you can put Adidas, comma, 4D, comma, Aspen. Now, these are like the keywords that will be in the searching thing for when the bot is running. So, it usually checks out on the first 25 new products that happen on kith.com. Believing with the sizes, I don't think they have any half sizes on for Kith, but I could be wrong. But for my example, I'm going to use a size 9 since I'm an 8.5, so I just rounded up to 9. Now you can make multiple tasks using this stuff. Like I said, in order for you to not get banned, I will recommend you guys using proxies. We are actually in the process of making some NAID proxies, which is going to be residential based and data center based. So be on the lookout for that. And that will be in a near future video, me describing about our proxies that we're currently working on, and even a possibility that we are also be doing a beta testing for our bot that we'll be releasing within 2 or 3 months from now. But like I said, this is just the plan for right now, guys. We are still in the process of developing all the stuff that we are trying to do. Big shout out to my staff and all my friends who have been really supportive through all of this in the process. And thank you to those who do like my videos and subscribe to my YouTube videos and help me stay positive on how to create more content for you guys. And I do this for you guys. I don't even do it for me. Like I said, I am a reseller, but I also do keep my shoes. So this is just another source of income that I recommend you youngins or even anyone that's in the age of 20s, 30s, 40s, doesn't even matter, that can do this. So like I said, so this is pretty much going to be pretty much your basic setup. Like I said, the early link will be provided for you guys in the later future. Make sure you guys join that Discord group. Like I said, I'm literally giving you guys the opportunity to join this group as of right now. This is a free trial-based thing happening right now. We have our monitors, which we are working on really hard to be one of the top slash the fastest speeds. So you guys can check out what ATC links and etc. So then once that's done, guys, you want to go to configure. You want to go to manage billing. Click OK. And then my PayPal is right here. I'm going to be blocking that for you guys. You guys either set up your PayPal, you can right click, hit new. Then after that, you're going to want to fill out this information. Now, in order for you to guys to get multiple stuff, I do recommend you guys use multiple credit cards, debit cards, or whatever the heck you guys have. The other thing you can do too is probably jig your address. If you don't know what the word jig means, it's pretty much changing your address. So if you were to put street, STREET, you could put STRT, or if you have lane, put LANE, and then, or just put LN, stuff like that. The other stuff that I recommend for getting more pairs is also changing your email address. Now, if you have multiple email addresses, it definitely changes your stuff. Even tweaking your name a little bit, that would help too. But obviously, you want to make sure that your billing information does link up to your credit card and your billing, so your card does not get declined. Now, if you are getting multiples, I also recommend that you guys call your bank ahead of time so none of your charges do get declined, because it does happen at times, especially if you guys don't reach out to your banks and stuff. So definitely recommend you guys contact them a day beforehand so they know that you guys will be doing some pretty crazy high-end transactions. So once it's done, guys, you're going to click save. As for me, I put cancel because I already have that. Now you want to click add. You want to right click, select billing.
You can either do it automatically by even picking your credit card slash debit card information or your PayPal, or you can automatically check out, which I also recommend because manual checkout does help. Um, I personally believe it does help increase your chances. And then after that, you're gonna click on Start All Task. Now, right now it's not working for me because obviously my update is kind of messed up right now, but it should be on the right side right here, and it's gonna be logging into the account as a guest, or even if you have your own actual personal account set up with Kith. Now, once it starts going, like I said, do maybe about I say do 3 proxies per task, maybe even more. That way your stuff is changing speeds and stuff, or maybe even add more proxies into a task. But I would just recommend putting 3 proxies per task. So if let's say I made 5 tasks, 5 times 3 is 15 all total for your proxies and stuff. But the more proxies, obviously, the more better of the chance that you will be getting the item. Now, obviously, your proxies do have to be fast as hell because if you guys have slow ones, obviously, other people will be eating depending on how far they are from the data center of Kith or etc. from any store. So that's pretty much the basic setup, guys, for using AIO bot. If you guys have any more questions, comments, or concerns, like I said, make sure you guys leave a comment down in the comment section below. Like I said numerous times, I will be leaving the early description in the bottom or the early link in the description of this video. But just to make sure that you're not, staying far behind or getting any of things that are updated, make sure you guys join that Discord group, guys. Like I said, click at the bottom of the description, make a Discord account, then literally just click the link and you're automatically inside of it. So it's that simple, guys. Like I said, make sure you guys do that. And if you guys haven't joined the giveaway yet on my Twitter at twitter.com/NateSneakerz, make sure you guys do that. It's a total of 7 winners. The winners will be announced on November 8th or November 9th, I believe. And we will be announcing it on our Twitter. So help us reach up to 100 followers. Right now we're at like 70 something, 76 I believe. So let's get up there. And most importantly, you guys, I wish you guys luck on this release, and I hope you guys really do enjoy my videos. Anyways, my name is Izzy, and I'm out. Peace.